Possessive pronouns in the attachable form. We continue studying pronouns in English, and today we will consider the following group of pronouns which are also very often used in real speech. So, the subject of our fourth session is possessive pronouns. Let's start. Possessive pronouns denote belonging or possession and answer the question whose. In addition to indicating possession, they are often used to replace the phrase someone's thing, in order to avoid the repetition of information that is already clear to us. For example, is this Susan's car? We can answer no, it is my car, or no, it's mine. Pay attention to the following. Pronoun my in the following answer, no, it is my car, indicates the belonging of the car, to me. Pronoun mine in the following answer, no, it's mine, replaces the phrase my car. As a rule, possessive pronouns stand at the beginning or end of the sentence. Look at the flowers. Yours are lovely. Pronoun is at the beginning. This red bike is mine. Pronoun is at the end of the sentence. Possessive pronouns are few, but the rules that will help to apply them correctly and which you need to know are only two. Remember the rules for the use of possessive pronouns. A possessive pronoun indicates possession. Possessive pronouns do not require an apostrophe. Possessive pronoun its is written without an apostrophe. If you use the spelling its through an apostrophe, it is a short form for the phrase it is. Each personal pronoun corresponds to a certain possessive pronoun. Let's look at the examples. Personal pronoun I becomes my or mine as possessive. I've lost my key. Personal pronoun you becomes your or yours as possessive. Is this your car? It is similar to mine. Personal pronoun he becomes his as possessive. Is this his bike? Personal pronoun she becomes her or hers as possessive. This ring is hers. Personal pronoun it becomes its as possessive. The boat lost its mast. Personal pronoun we becomes our or ours as possessive. The pizza is ours. Personal pronoun they becomes their or theirs as possessive. The dog is theirs. Possessive pronouns have two forms, primary or attachable form. In this case, the pronoun is always attached to the noun, i.e., the pronoun is only a definition and always placed before the noun. For example, this is my book. Remember, the possessive definition in the basic form excludes the article and is pronounced without stress. If there is any other definition before the noun, then the possessive pronoun is put in front of them. For example, this is my new red car. After the possessive pronouns in the attached form, the word own is often used to add meaning personal. For example, this is my own pencil. 2. Absolute form, which replaces the noun. Possessive pronouns in absolute form replace the word combination someone's object in order to avoid the repetition of the subject, and at the same time to indicate the owner or possessor. For example, whose book is this? This is mine. In this example, the phrase my book is replaced by mine, and the possessive pronoun in absolute form clearly indicates the owner. Once the possessive pronoun in absolute form is used instead of nouns, the noun after this form is never repeated. This apple is mine. Now it is time to check yourselves. Use the correct possessive pronouns. That car is ours. Is this your dog? Whose hat is this? This is mine. Children cleaned their hands. Alex had troubles with his bike. Features of usage. The use of a certain possessive pronoun can give to the above some semantic nuances. For example, my friend or friend of mine. Is there a difference between these expressions? Yes, there is a semantic difference. My friend means a close friend. Friend of mine means one friend from a number of my friends who is not necessarily a close friend. Keep on practicing the possessive pronouns by commenting on actions of everyday life and changing the words to the relevant pronouns. Here is a little example. I like my cosy home. This pen is hers, belongs to Magda. His bike is very cool, belongs to Richard. And finally, we remember the useful proverbs. A bad workman always blames his tools. Don't forget to keep on practicing, and remember that practice makes perfect.